Hi, Remy. Remy says, "What'd you do to me? You brought me from warm weather to cold weather. You crazy?"
You crazy people. Kisses.
Oh, this guy first kisses. Hi, Remy.
You still smell like a puppy. You still smell like a puppy. There's your toy. We got it. We got your toy.
You can take a little video of the other ones that was here so we can take a look at those.
What did you do? What did you do? I'm gonna fix that again.
Hello.
You want to go meet your big brothers?
Hello.
You got some big brothers waiting in the house.
Hello. Hello, Remy.
Okay, you want to get the little one?